Here's a couple of more uses for the Google Maps. You'll see that I put in a couple of blobs here, and these blobs are actually tectonic plates. And so again, I can go ahead and use my line tool, and I can add a line or shape, and I can go ahead and put in another plate, and I'm going to just put in, this is not super accurate, but it's close. We double click when we're finished, and we're going to call this the Caribbean. And I can put a description in here if I'd like, and put a picture. We're going to click Save. I can edit this, or put a picture, so I can also change the color. And let's just do a nice bright color like that. You can do the border width if you want to make them stand out a little bit more. So that's another tool that can be used all over the world. Here is another use for, Australia is its own continent. And it looks pretty small on the maps usually. I'm going to go ahead and outline Australia here closely. Alright, I'm going to call this Australia. And here's kind of a cool little thing that you can do. Let's say we want to compare the size of Australia with the size of any other continent. So let's just go ahead and drag that over the United States. Now it doesn't look so small anymore. That's the actual size. It keeps the size. We can kind of compare it with Africa or Europe. Russia. We can just kind of see it takes over Greenland, so it actually is bigger than we think it is. So it's a great tool for comparisons as well. One thing that I didn't show you in the last video is if you want to add a new map, all you do is click on this little folder right here, and you can do a new map, or you can open a map you've already done. You can delete the map, and there's all kinds of things that you can do. So Google Maps is an absolutely wonderful tool, and there's some ideas on my website on how to use Google Maps.